In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is day 7 of the WhyIslam Dawah Road Trip. We're here in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina, performing street dawah, and afterwards we will go conduct a dawah workshop in the North Raleigh Masjid. Stay tuned for more. Would you agree that some of God's attributes is the all-powerful one, right?
All-powerful one.
The ever-living, right?
That's right.
The all-knowing, the all-seeing, correct?
Right.
We can both agree he wasn't necessarily a prophet, but he was just somebody that he understood the message and he was preaching the message.
That's right. And he brought his people together.
Exactly. So now this same God, the God of Malcolm X, the God of Abraham, the God of everyone, right? Your God, right? This same God, right? Do you agree that he created us all for a reason?
That's right.
So now how do we know this reason? Would you agree that he sent us prophets and messengers?
That's right.
Everybody has to worship. Once they are living in existence, they have no choice. You know, it's not me that guides me, it's he that guides me.
None of you truly believe until you love for your brother or sister in humanity what you love for yourself. Do you love guidance for yourself? Do you love Jannah for yourself? Do you love the mercy of Allah for yourself? Then you should love it for other people as well. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Please do.
Okay. So, I was reading in your Quran. Is that what you call it?
Yes.
Yes. So, I was reading in your Quran, and there's this verse that stood out to me. It said, kill the polytheists wherever you see them. So I'm not sure, are you going to kill me because I'm not Muslim? Or why does your Quran say that?
Well, don't take these words as killing and then just think that all Islam and Muslims are killers. Islam is a religious of peace. Islam is a religious of love. Now, it might be a word or there, but you have to take the context of the statement.
I was actually reading in your Quran, and it has the verses that order you to kill me. Is that why you guys, all those suicide bombings, and can you explain yourself?
Actually, I don't have to explain myself because I'm not in a defensive position. It is, the question is, if you talk about people doing certain actions, I can point fingers at any religion, at any group, at anybody and say they did this, therefore the religion is this or that. If you talk about the Quran, you really have not read the Quran. You read a translation of a meaning of the Quran, and you need to check back with the people who have studied the Quran, not read the translation, so that you know what it means.
All religion does is kill people.
Okay. Well, since you are an atheist, then maybe you and I need to have a discussion of what reference point you and I need to have to discuss what is good and bad. Since you don't believe in God, and I believe in objective morality, that is a standard to judge how I treat my wife and who I kill or not kill and what.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today it's day 7 of the WhyIslam Dawah Road Trip. We're here in the North Raleigh Masjid in North Carolina, and I'm here with I want to ask you a few questions. I know you're a local in the community and you're a big part of the masjid. Can you tell me about some of the dawah efforts that you guys have done in the past and some that you wish to do in the future?
We have many activities for da'wah. We have the outreach committee, and we have interfaith dialogues with neighbor church. This temporary masjid now, we are surrounded by over 5 churches actually in the area. So we used to have several interfaith dialogue. We have many students coming from schools who want to learn about Islam. Some of them actually, they try to practice. They are not Muslims, but they try to practice being Muslim by wearing hijab, attending Jum'ah. Still not Muslims, but they want to know about Islam and Muslims. So I'd like to thank WhyIslam organization and ICNA, of course, for this wonderful event. Actually, the masjid was crowded, alhamdulillah, with so many youth. And for me, I've been in this Islamic da'wah for a long time. It's very hard to grab youth attention for more than 10-15 minutes, but mashallah, for more than an hour, everybody is looking at the presentation. So thank you, wallahi, for all what you are doing, and I hope you continue, inshallah, doing this effort throughout America and outside, inshallah. And people learn from you how to perform da'wah, inshallah, in all Western countries, not only US. Jazakumullah khair.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today was day number 7 of the WhyIslam Dawah Road Trip. Alhamdulillah, we did street dawah. We started off with street dawah. We had one shahada in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. And afterwards, we went and conducted a dawah workshop in North Raleigh Masjid. And alhamdulillah, it was by far the biggest attendance we've had so far. Inshallah, stay tuned for more. Wassalamu alaikum.